On Monday, March 25th, CNN abruptly stopped airing live coverage of Donald Trump's speech at 40 Wall Street, claiming numerous lies. After an appeals court decision, the former president, who had just appeared in court in the Stormy Daniels case, was subject to a lowered bond. CNN interrupted and fact-checked Trump's statements about rising crime and a rigged court system under President Joe Biden. He also claimed that Biden was hiring goons to chase him in an effort to lessen his chances of winning their highly anticipated rematch in November. He said that Biden was the driving force behind all of his ongoing legal proceedings. Therefore, they could have done this in the instance of the trial we just finished, one of the numerous ones that take place. All of them are managed by President Joe Biden and his goons, and this is the only way they believe they can win an election. As of right now, though, I believe it is backfiring because the American people are aware of this, the speaker said. The anchor Boris Sanchez called attention to the obvious falsehoods in Trump's remarks, including the ludicrous charge that Biden planned every criminal prosecution that is currently pending against him. He wondered how Biden could still have influenced matters, as Trump was saying, given that nearly all of the indictments were approved by grand juries. Trump laying out a plethora of falsehoods, he stated. Maybe the most obvious one is that President Biden was the mastermind behind all of these criminal charges. That is not supported by any evidence. Additional fact-checking by Caitlin Collins was conducted in response to Trump's repeated assertions of unsubstantiated information, including the hypothesis that other nations are smuggling people out of mental facilities across the border. Trump also took aim at Alvin Bragg, the Manhattan District Attorney, and Mark Pomerantz, the retired prosecutor, whose book purportedly contained information about a possible probe of Trump. But Trump left out important facts from Pomerantz's story, concentrating instead on his annoyance at the court for not allowing him to postpone his trial, which was set to start soon. Trump has a history of assigning blame for his issues on Biden, whom he accuses of pursuing him with the help of the FBI and Department of Justice out of fear that he would win in November. This is while he battles numerous cases and hefty fines, one of which his attorneys acknowledged he is unable to pay. Moreover, after imposing a gag order on former President Donald Trump in the current hush money case, New York State Supreme Court Judge Juan Merchan found himself embroiled in controversy. But the situation has become even more complicated in light of the information that has come to light regarding Judge Merchan's daughter Loren Merchan's professional connections. At Authentic Campaigns, a company that specializes in elections and campaigns, Loren Merchan occupies a prominent role. Given her father's involvement in high-profile legal matters, including Trump's, Loren's connections as the firm's president and partner raise concerns about potential conflicts of interest. The allegation is made even more intriguing by the fact that Congressman Adam Schiff and Vice President Kamala Harris are clients of Authentic Campaigns. Concerns regarding impartiality and fairness in the Trump legal procedures have been raised by the relationship between Judge Merchan's daughter and Authentic Campaigns, according to a tweet sent on Wednesday, March 27, 2024. The judge's family links to a politically affiliated company, according to critics, may compromise the judge's impartiality in a case as politically sensitive as Trump's hush money probe. The gag order was granted just after Loren Merchan's professional contacts were made public, which has sparked rumors regarding the judge's intentions and possible conflicts of interest. Some commentators wonder if Judge Merchan's choice to limit Trump's remarks in public was impacted by his daughter's affiliation with Authentic Campaigns and its well-known clientele. Even while there isn't any concrete proof of improper behavior, the circumstances give rise to legitimate worries about the impartiality and honesty of the legal system. Ensuring equitable treatment within the judicial system and maintaining the rule of law heavily relies on the impartiality of judges. The public's faith in the judiciary and the justice system is weakened by any suggestion of bias or favoritism. Following the issue, demands for more research into the matter as well as calls for responsibility and transparency have surfaced. Judge Merchan's detractors contend that in order to preserve the integrity of the legal system and prevent any perception of improper behavior, he ought to step down from Trump's case. In the end, discussions concerning the relationship between politics and the law, as well as the necessity of measures to avoid conflicts of interest among judges, have been rekindled by the shocking news that connected Judge Merchant's daughter to a company with political affiliations.